Hi, I'm Lance. I'm the Area Sales Manager for the North of England, North Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. This is our showroom here in Duckingfield. It's a fantastic asset for us as a business to have, not only for our own in-house training, but we utilise it mostly to train others, and that's the main benefit of having a showroom such as this. We can showcase our products, from showing how a sliding door, a MasterTrack FT or BT work, how the Juna shower door hinge is the most innovative shower door hinge out there, how vetch mount goes together, and really showcasing the purpose of how easy, how simple it can go. So we utilise our showroom not only to display products, but for training. We have training for such things as UV bonding. We have installation demonstrations and training for vetch mount balustrade. We can do sliding door installations utilising the MasterTrack systems that we have set up here in-house. We can take them down, we can show you, we can install them with your team to really generate confidence when you then later go to site and install for maybe the first time. If you have any future requirements or needs and you wish to get in touch with us to utilise this space with a member of the Bohle team, please get in touch.